What's up guys, welcome back to the Rogue Vet, bringing you another video today. So what I want to do is pretty much on the sides, I want to install some emblems, the little Z51 sticker emblems on the sides where the air intake is there. You can get those online. I'll put the link in the description below where you can find them. Let me just kind of show you how I do this real quick. It's real easy. It's like one of the window stickers, window decals that you put on there. But let's go ahead, let me show you real quick. All right guys, so where I'm talking about here on the car is right here on the top part of this one. There's a Z51 decal that you can purchase to stick right on top of there, just to kind of give it a little bit more oomph, if you could say, make it stand out a little bit more. So that's what I'm going to do, is be putting that decal right there on both sides, and then we'll see what the finishing product is afterwards. Here is what the stickers look like right now. All right guys, what you're going to want to do is clean that place really good on there. That way it can have a lot of room to stick. And you just clean that off with a rag, maybe some alcohol, and just kind of let it dry. Voila guys, easy as that, the decal is on. As you can see, it looks pretty good. All right guys, so there's the decal right there again. I've already primed and prepped the area, so let's go ahead and just stick it on. Guys, that's it. Simple as that. It is on. Makes it look a little bit better. All right guys, and there's another shot of the decal right there. I think it makes it look a little bit better. Kind of hard to see if you're not really looking, but if you find it, I think it looks pretty good. Pretty simple install. All right guys, well I hope y'all enjoy me putting on the decals on the Z51 here. If y'all are interested, remember the links will be in the description below to buy one just like it for your Z51. But I hope y'all enjoyed making this quick little video. All right guys, until the next one, peace.